Hello, welcome to Somebody's Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to uh, consider that when we practice, particularly practicing forms, we face a number of different directions. I'm sort of facing south as it happens. But if I'm facing south in a given form, I'm very likely to be facing, east shortly thereafter, or west, or northwest, or whatever. But it'll change. And if I know the form and I know my practice place, for example, when I turn north, I'm pretty sure I'm going to see a birch tree there. And there she is. So, okay, that completely makes sense. When I turn to the east, I see a couple ducks coming ashore. um, but what I'd like to do is invite you to, in this case, I'm facing west. I'll be facing east in a moment. The tip is to move the elements of your senses to the direction that you will be facing before your eyes can sense that direction. So this can be memory, like I remember the pond is there, so it's pretty likely to be there. Could be imagination, could be hearing, could be intuition, could be smell, could be whatever it might be. And the idea is to encourage other senses. Right. Sorry, ducks, apologize. To encourage other senses to come to the fore before the eyes sense what might in fact be there. Sorry about sneezing, ducks. Appreciate you being so calm. So, thank you very much. And remember, uh, somebody's about to come to their senses and they're going to be ready for Tai Chi. Are you ready for them? Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.